Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to Zero to Hero series of Rainbow Dot Mandalas, and we will get started with orange now. I'll start with dotting in the center using vermilion. That's a type of orange. Now I'll keep tiny dots in the same color. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in orange. I'll work the dots in orange now. Now I'll keep some dots with light vermilion color, and this is how I mixed vermilion with white, 1:1 ratio. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some vermilion dots. Now I'm going to keep two side swipes with this light vermilion. I'll keep two more side swipes in orange. I'm sure this orange dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.